I was actually worried that the weather here will be, so the weather is not good for diving because it was really heavy rain, and when we have a really heavy rain, so that there is a lot of this murky water going into the ocean. But finally, when we left Amed and we already came closer to the Tulamben, the weather was really good and there was no rain at all. Yeah, there is no sun of course, but there was no rain. And the visibility actually was good, as you will see from the video. So, super happy. The guys tried it for the first time and they loved it. Like, most of them are really good with the buoyancy. The girl never been diving before. She figured out how to maintain the buoyancy really fast. And yeah, so we came to the surface, we came close to the shore, and no one really wanted to come out of the water. And that makes me happy. There's nothing can make more happy an instructor or the happy students. And so yeah, tomorrow we will probably go diving again. See you a little bit later. And the trash heroes is picking up the trash, so preventing all them floating to the ocean. Hello. So it's not that bad. Our growing up generation actually cares about all this stuff. So it was really good to go back to the origins. When I was a dive master, there was no one else to help me today. So like I was managing all the things, and actually Laura helped me with all the transportation and the tank. Thank you very much for watching today and see you tomorrow. Bye.